Hello, everyone. My name is Emmanuel for Eastside, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take to use MCP Server configuration with your MCP client, which is your laptop, your IDE, I would say. First things first, I created a folder called MCP Demo, and for this use case, I'm going to use GitHub's MCP Server. So I created a repository called MCP Demo. Where the MCP servers are hosted is called MCP Registry. More like a marketplace, I would say. Clicking on this would show you the list of available MCP servers at your beck and call, and these are the ones supported by GitHub. And GitHub has vetted them, saying to us that you guys can go ahead and use it. These are official MCP servers by these companies like Microsoft, um, Azure, etc. Today, GitHub. So clicking on GitHub, I can configure the server two ways by clicking on the button over here, which does it automatically on my IDE, or copying this template code and creating a file called mcp.json. Either way works. I can do this the normal way or do this with the button. Same thing. So I'll just do it with the button. Click on install server. It opens up on my IDE, and I'll do install in workspace, and I automatically create this mcp.json. So you see, I could have just created this myself, and that would work. And automatically, it's picked that up because I have authenticated myself initially by just pressing that. And for the first time, I need to just ask you questions, sign in, and you authenticate yourself. So now I'm gonna start the server, and as you can see, the server has started. The list of twos are 40, and just the logs, right? So I want to create issues on my repository on GitHub from my IDE, the client. I'll tell it, hey, Mr. Client, I want this to be done. Do it for me. So the actions that, or twos basically, that this server's possessed, I can just talk to it and just tell me, give me a list of um twos, list out, list out my spelling, list out the twos available on GitHub MCP server. Just to show you, I think it's just a few twos, but there are more, there are 42s. Let's see what comes up. Oh yeah, listed more than I thought it would. But yeah, there's Copilot issue, assign issue, let's create a upload file, etc. I already created a prompt because I didn't want to waste your time and just type all that stuff. So I created a prompt on my notes. And just to show you again, my repository is empty. It's empty. Let me quickly go back. Empty. No issues at all. Okay, actually. Okay, yeah, no issues. Zero issues. I have three closed. No issues. Right, see? Zero issues. Just to confirm that. And then I'll go, let's chat with Copilot for a second, which is my MCP client. I'm going to copy this. I'm telling it you must use MCP2. I'm telling the tool to use create issue. The different tools listed out there, like you saw, Copilot listed everything out. Not everything, just a few. And I'm being strict. This is prompt engineering. Knowing how to prompt is really important. And then you just copy it. Actually, go to ID. I'm telling it right here, create an issue. I'm the owner. And the title is Add MCP Clients Configuration Support. I'll send this. And let's see. Let's wait. How fast can it do this for us? The countdown 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Allow. 1 0. Let's see. Terminal will be reused by ta. Oh, okay. Let's see. Terminal is awaiting input. Mm-hmm. Allow. Executing echo 2. Creation not found. Let me restart my server again. And, you know, give my prompt again. Send my prompt again. Sometimes, hallucinates. Let's see. Gonna paste my prompts. Send that. Um, Waiting patiently. Wait to execute our request. All right, that worked. Clicking allow. It says I'm the owner. It's confirming, and I have to just confirm that. So it says issue created successfully. I'll just have to look at that first code he gave me, your issue erased, but I'll look at it later. But now this shows you the MCP server is working. The client's telling what action to take, and it did it successfully. Like clicking on this will take me to my Chrome. Do I want to do that? Okay, sure. Opens up my Chrome, drum roll, and voila, the issue was created. Yay! But anyways, let me close my Chrome real quick. Go back to Microsoft Edge, refresh here, and boom, it created the issue. Can you imagine that? Let's go. We're gonna copy this again, create a second issue. So you see, I don't even have to physically go create issue on the UI myself. Well, arguably, still manual because I have to tell it what to do. But from my ID, I'm doing this. Create a second issue right now. Pasted the prompt. It says method create owner. That's me. That's the repo. That's the title. I'll say go ahead. Did that. Let's check. Refresh. Second issue. Simple. Um, do I want to assign it to someone? Assign the issue to me. So imagine how you use your Jira and you assign tickets to people on your team. This can be another way you can assign issues on the fly. You guys are working on a project and you just tell your client to just do this for you. To is SYD. This is my GitHub name. Aside, no, let me just be more specific. So assign issue hashtag issue one. I think that will be more descriptive. Where's my pound? Where's my pound sign? Okay, let's see that assigns to me. So he says method update. Oh, let me not press that. Repo. Okay. All right. Allow. Let's see what this does. Oh, I could not create that. Okay, that's an issue. Let me skip this. Um, no, let me go to more prompts and click on this. Repository owner is me. So prompts shows you prompts that the server has. Side guard. This is trying to debug. Repository name is called MCP hyphen. Wait. Oh no, hyphen demo. Just to be sure, I'll just double check right now. Yeah, it's correct. Text fix the bug. I'm just gonna type something. Set common superior list. Um, it's gonna take a process. Okay. Superior list. Gonna do fix it. 6/6 value for assignee. Said now. Now I'm just like typing random things. Okay. Label supply fix this. It generated a prompt for me, your development workflow assistance, helping to create GitHub issues and generate correspondent pull requests. User, I need to create an issue titled Fix the Bug in Eastside MCP. Generate TED to fix it. The issue description, long story. I'll just click on send. This is a different way to also create an issue. Create again. So I showed you two ways. I ran it. Okay, issue number 6, create again. Okay, successfully created that. Voila. That was a different way by just clicking on prompts that showed me prompts available, and then I selected assign issue. No, actually, issue to fix, and listed out the issues I wanted in the list. That was a more complex way to do it. Let's check. Yep, fix the bug. So this example is how you can use MCP Server. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe actually. Have a wonderful evening, guys.